Oh my god.
Yeah, yes sir. What if I was rolling my kicks like I'm Yanga chief? So we do it like this, so we move and we fall cause we stumble on a break. What if Ikumkani never left empty records? Abazazi bafunani heavy and we likelani. Now I'm praised, we loco and kaboni kwenzekani. What if really made the rima man graduated in life, celebrated this time, it's belated more. Follow his space that I gotta fit to you. Can't me like senzo cause you gonna face the truth. What if?
I see my life in overseas, I got MOP, chilling with the OGs, no stress, living free without paying no bills. What if? Ukusiqala olunye uhambo when it's not gonna be easy. Simanothandaza endleleni kwaye kumele sihambile, nokusiqhubeleliweni ngcono uhluleke uzamile kunokuhlala nje ujamile ngoba ithuba silinikiwe. What if? The Lord gave olunye usuku when kumele sivukile, kumele simbongile ngokuhlala esicinile. Ngiqale ngicela uxolo kubo bonke abo nibonile, ayo inkosi inikile, inkosi ithathile. RIP to my dad nabo bonke abashiyile ngoba konke kwenzekile, sele kudlulile kuyafana nokudaliwe. Akuhlanga lungehliyo, gotta look up to my fam ngelakhaya ndilokhile. What if? Enyembezi zosuliwe noma mgobhozi ibekile ngokundlela zivuliwe, nesihlaba sihlabile sitophondo zihlanjiwe kwayicamako ndavuma kulamasango singenile. What if?
What if we stuck in a system when we wanna break free? This love just different. I saw another man the other day, no sequence. Was drunk and alone, his gun and bullets. Had to take a trigger, I said just pull it. Another man alive, no shit, he's revived. He's doing better now, taking more time to rehearse. Darkness gonna catch you if you keep on acting stupid. I'm not saying be humble, but don't take time when you do it. You gotta get your wisdom, take out when you do it. Don't care about the beach calls, with all and the punches. Living as a big boss with carbon and hoses.
Yeah.